I'm Chloe.
And I'm Kendra.
And we're the Safety Patrol Twins. There's so much to be thankful for this year.
I know. We've come a long way since the start of the pandemic to now be able to celebrate and spend time with our loved ones this Thanksgiving.
Yes, but that doesn't mean we can just stop protecting each other cold turkey. Although things have gotten better, celebrating safely is the best recipe you can have when we gather at our table this year to celebrate. So before you start cooking, be sure to know if any of your guests have any food allergies, just like our brother who's allergic to potatoes.
Yes, that's why I always like to cook alternative dishes with our mom so everyone can enjoy a nice meal. It's also a good option if you're attending a dinner party to ask if you can bring your favorite dish or dessert.
Kendra, it's important that if you have allergies, you carry your EpiPen in case you have a reaction. You do not want to end up in the hospital on such an important holiday.
Good advice, Chloe. Speaking of emergencies, did you know that unattended cooking is the #1 cause of home fires and injuries? As you spend more time in the kitchen for preparing for this Thanksgiving dinner, protect yourself and others from fire.
Stay in the home when cooking your turkey and check on it frequently.
Do not turn up the heat in the oven to speed up the cooking time. This could start a fire.
Be sure to turn off the stove if you need to leave the kitchen, and to use a timer to remind you that you're cooking.
Turn pot handles and sharp objects away from the edge of cooking areas, and keep anything that can burn, like oven mitts, wooden utensils, food packaging, or curtains, away from your stovetop.
Also, keep children and pets at least 3 feet away from the stove and meal prep areas.
She knows all about this, firsthand, literally. The steam or splash from vegetables, gravy, tea, or coffee could cause serious burns.
Ouch, I found the answer to that burning question in my own skin. Believe me, so be careful.
And finally, always keep a fire extinguisher handy if you experience an emergency, and be sure to call 911.
Let's celebrate wisely and help keep everyone safe.
Please count your blessings. This has been a tough year, but working together and doing what we need to do will help us all as a community.
So remember, safety first.